The way we make things is changing. For centuries, mass production ruled. Factories churned out identical products, limiting choices for consumers. Now, a new era is dawning, the age of 3D printing. This technology, also known as additive manufacturing, builds objects layer by tiny layer from digital designs. Imagine a printer that uses plastic, metal, or even chocolate instead of ink. This isn't science fiction, it's revolutionizing manufacturing as we know it. 3D printing allows businesses to create products on demand, eliminating the need for massive warehouses full of inventory. Need a replacement part? Print it. Have a unique design in mind? 3D printing makes it possible. This technology empowers both small startups and industrial giants to innovate and produce goods in ways never before imagined. One of the most significant advantages of 3D printing is its speed. Traditional manufacturing often involves lengthy lead times, with factories far from the end consumer. 3D printing collapses these timelines. Products can be designed and printed on site, reducing transportation costs and delays. This speed is particularly valuable for prototypes and limited-run products, allowing companies to test ideas quickly and bring them to market faster. But it's not just about speed. 3D printing also offers incredible efficiency. Traditional methods often result in significant material waste, especially when carving objects from larger blocks. 3D printing, in contrast, only uses the material required for the object, minimizing waste and reducing environmental impact. This efficiency translates into cost savings, making manufacturing more sustainable and affordable. Mass production excels at creating uniformity, but what about individuality? 3D printing unlocks the potential for mass customization. Imagine shoes perfectly tailored to your feet, jewelry designed to your exact specifications, or medical implants customized to a patient's anatomy. This level of personalization was once unthinkable, but is now within reach. For businesses, this means offering consumers products tailored to their unique needs and desires. This shift from mass production to mass personalization has the power to transform entire industries. From fashion and healthcare to aerospace and beyond, 3D printing is ushering in an era of unprecedented design freedom and consumer choice. Section 4. Challenges on the horizon. While the potential of 3D printing is undeniable, challenges remain. One major hurdle is the skills gap. Operating and maintaining these advanced machines requires a workforce trained in new technologies and design software. Educational institutions and businesses must collaborate to equip the next generation with the skills needed to thrive in this evolving manufacturing landscape. Another challenge is ensuring quality control. As with any manufacturing process, consistency and reliability are paramount. Industry standards and certifications are crucial for guaranteeing the quality and safety of 3D printed products, especially in fields like healthcare and aerospace, where precision is critical. Section 5. Building a sustainable future. Beyond its economic benefits, 3D printing offers significant environmental advantages. By reducing material waste and transportation needs, it contributes to a more sustainable manufacturing ecosystem. Additionally, 3D printing can utilize recycled materials, further minimizing environmental impact. As the technology matures, we can expect even greater strides in eco-friendly 3D printing. Research into new materials such as bioplastics and biodegradable polymers holds the promise of fully sustainable manufacturing solutions. Imagine a future where products are created on demand, using only renewable resources and leaving minimal environmental footprint. Section 6. The future of making things. 3D printing is not merely an incremental improvement in manufacturing. It represents a fundamental paradigm shift. It empowers us to rethink how we design, produce, and distribute goods, unlocking a world of possibilities. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see its impact across every facet of our lives. From personalized medicine and sustainable housing to space exploration and beyond, 3D printing is poised to reshape our world. The future of making things is here, and it's limited only by our imagination.